Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to find out which OS version have in your Windows 11 desktop or laptop. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently bought this Windows 11 operating system and you are looking for is this Windows 11 is Home Edition or Professional Edition or Entertainment or etc. What is the real version or lots more. So in order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. There is a two-way to find this. You can go in your Windows 11 search bar and then type here WINVER and then you can open here run as administrator, and then you're going to see details about your operating system. For example, it's giving me Windows 11 Microsoft Windows version 21H2 OSVille 22000.918. This is the one way how you can get your Windows 11 operating system details. Also, there is another way to get this. You need to go in your Windows 11 start menu, click here setting, and then click in the system section. Scroll all the way down and then you're going to find here something say about. After click over about, you're going to see something say Windows specification. In here you're going to see your Windows 11 which edition. It might be Home, Professional or other version. It's the version, install date, also OS build number. So in this simple way you can get more details about in your Windows 11 operating system in your desktop or laptop. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.